project is industrial smoke management. Nowadays, the development of the country depends upon industrialization. So our India is just developing country, not developed country. So we have to make it as developed country. If we have to make it as developed country, the industrialization has to be increased. If there is increase in industrialization, automatically there is increase in acid rains. Acid rains has more bad effects. One is the water getting the acid nature and the organisms in it are dying. And second, the humans getting the skin diseases, hair falling and etc. The Taj Mahal also getting spoiled because the calcium carbonate on it reacting with the acid rains and getting the yellowish color. So the Honorable Supreme Court ordered all the oil factories around it to close. If all the oil factories has been closing and also industries has been closing, we can't get our basic needs and also our India will become undeveloped country. So to solve all these problems, I have a method, industrial smoke management. When the smoke emits from the chimney of the industries, it goes through this copper tube and enters into this vacuum chamber. Here we inserted aquarium pump. It absorbs the smoke from this copper tube and sends into this water with pressure. Here this water is at room temperature. First the carbon dioxide reacts with water and changes into the carbonic acid. And second conical flash, we took water at very low temperature, that means 10 degrees, 8 degrees like that, because the oxides of sulfur and nitrogen only react with water at low temperatures only, and it becomes as sulfuric acid, sulfurous acid, nitrous acid and nitric acid, and gas comes out which is not harmful for us and also it is not cause for the acid rains. Now these two are acids. Now we have to test the pH value and we have to add some bases to make that solution to neutralized. This neutralized solution, as it is not harmful for us, we can decompose it at anywhere. At the same time, when the smoke releases from the chimney, it passes through it. So that heat also absorbed by this copper rod. When we send water into it, this water will absorb the heat from the copper rod and changes as steam and hot water. The steam and hot water has low density compared with the cold water. So it comes up and we can carry and take this hot water and steam here. This steam can be used for the producing the electricity and hot water can be used for any purpose in any factories. The acid rains are universal problem. This universal problem we took and take here the localized solution. If this is implemented in any factory, the problem has solution and also we have an advantage. Generally for the steam and the hot water we are wasting much energy. If this is implemented, we have a solution and also an advantage. Thank you.
How you got this idea?
Because near to our school and near to our residence there is a oil factory and palm oil factory and a coffee factory and all, and every day we are getting the order and our plants getting polluted. So I have an idea to decompose the harmful gases which containing the harmful poisonous gases and also which are caused for the acid rains, and we are decomposing it.